Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine. Let's move on to next topics. This is called non-finance beta. Beta, this question comes basically in error slashes form. You have to know where to put singular and plural as well, whether it is a gerund or participle. Now, worksheet number 1. Read the following. She loves to cook food. They love to cook food. In the above in the above sentences, the verb love changes to its form to agree with its subject. देखो बेटा, she is singular, so we are putting love plus s or es, है ना. They love, because they is third person. In the above sentences, the verb love changes its form to agree with its subject. She loves, they love. Now look at the verb to cook in both the sentences. Does it change? Verbs that are limited by the person or the number of the subject are finite verbs. जो बेटा अपने आप को वर्ब जो लिमिटेड रहती हैं किससे, पर्सन या नंबर से, दे आर कॉल्ड फाइनाइट वर्ब्स. Verbs that are not limited by the person or number of the subject, they are called non-finite verbs. Okay. Read a few more examples. The question appears to be easy. The question, I'm talking about single. The questions appear to be easy. बहुत सारे questions है ना बेटा. They are plural in number, so the verb will take only first form, not s or es. The torn chart papers were replaced. They were number, plural in number. The torn chart paper was replaced. So torn chart paper क्या था, replace हो गया. This is singular. Talking parrots are rare. कि बहुत सारे पैरट्स की बात हो रही है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू एग्री विद प्लूरल. अ टॉकिंग पैरट इज रेयर. अगर हम एक पैरट की बात करें, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज सिंगुलर. द वर्ब्स गिवन इन द बॉक्सेस इन द अबव सेंटेंसेस आर नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स. जो भी आपको बॉक्सेस में दिख रही हैं, टू बी, टॉन, टॉकिंग, दे आर कॉल्ड नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स. ओके. whereas the underlined verbs are finite verbs. Okay. Look at the chart given below. Non-finites, infinitive 2 plus verb. जहाँ 2 plus base form होती है बेटा, first form of the verb होती है. Participle is present participle, ing form होती है. Past participle is third form. And gerund is ing form. Suppose infinitive क्या होता है बेटा? To cook, to learn, to read, to speak. 2 plus first form. Present participle, cooking, ing form को कर रहे हैं. Cooking, speaking, laughing, drinking. Okay, past participle is cooked, spoken, and gerund is cooking, speaking. Now remember, tenses have to agree to the subject in number or person, so they change form. हमको person और number के अकॉर्डिंग लिखना होता है, तो तभी चेंज करते हैं. अ नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब डज नॉट चेंज इन इट्स फॉर्म. लेकिन नॉन फाइनाइट जो होती है वो अपनी फॉर्म चेंज नहीं करते हैं. हेंस इट इज कॉल्ड अ वर्ब विदाउट टेंस. तभी इसको कहा जाता है कि ये क्या है, बिना टेंस के वर्ब होती है बेटा. नाउ वर्कशीट नंबर 2, द इन्फिनेटिव. ही एग्रीड टू प्ले द मैच. आई डिसाइडेड टू बाय द ड्रेस. वी एक्सपेक्ट आवर टीम टू विन द टूर्नामेंट. An infinitive is formed by adding to the base form of the verb. Base form होती है बेटा first form of the verb. Infinitive can be used without to also. कहते हैं कि बिना to के भी होते हैं infinitive use होते हैं. These are called bare infinitives. Bare होते हैं बेटा खाली infinitives होते हैं. We shall discuss in worksheet number 5. जो आगे हम पढ़ेंगे उसमें हम discuss करेंगे बेटा. Now complete the sentences given below by filling the blanks with infinitive of the verbs in the bracket. To switch on the computer, press the green button. Hear him singing is a torture. To hear him sing is a torture. Now, my idea of happiness is to spend time with my family. Your job is to deliver the packet on time. The baby doesn't want to go to sleep. Everyone has the right to speak their mind. अपने दिमाग की हर किसी को बोलने की क्या है, एक्सप्रेस फ्रीडम है. Ritika is keen to meet her friends. To see them together was a pleasant experience. I like to eat cereals in breakfast. They want to dance. Okay. Now worksheet number 3 beta. Read the examples given below. I failed to understand her language. She hesitated to ask a question. Certain verbs are generally followed by a to infinitive. Okay, for example, I forgot to invite her. It is forgot is verb and to invite is infinitive. They threatened to sue the company. Sue होता बेटा बंद करवा देना. Now threatened the verb हो गया और to sue हो गया infinitive. Now, given below is a list of verbs that are generally followed by an infinitive: agree, offer, forget, decide, fail, plan, hesitate, learn, refuse, hope, prepare, promise, manage, wish, want, seem. Okay, now you are supposed to make 10 sentences by using these words. Okay, suppose agree का बात करें अगर हम, I agreed to his proposal, I offered to help him, I forgot to call him, I decided to work, I failed to understand him, I planned to go to Delhi, I hesitated to ask him a question. Okay, then I refuse to lend him money. Okay, I hope to see him soon. I prepared uh, to go to lunch. I promised to help him, like this. Only 10 you are supposed to write. You can write any of your choice also. Now come to worksheet number 4. A to infinitive can be used in various patterns. Study the following sentences and understand the patterns. They hoped to receive the letter soon. She refused to comment on the matter. Refuses verb and to comment is infinitive. Now I know how to put a cell in a watch. She remembered where to contact him. Now note that such as ask, decide, explain, forget, learn, remember generally follow this pattern, beta. Now he will teach you how to speak in English. Can you tell me where to find this book? Okay, tell is verb and me is object, where is question, and to find is infinitive. Note that words such as show, ask, tell, etc. generally follow this pattern. Remind me to call him up. Don't force him to quit the job. Okay, note that verbs such as advise, allow, invite, order, permit, remind, force, etc. follow such pattern. I need a stapler to bind the papers. To bind is the infinitive over here. You need a hammer to fix a chair. To fix is the infinitive here. Note that when a noun or pronoun precedes an infinitive, it generally suggests what is to be done with it. Suppose hammer, stapler, what is it needed for? Stapler is to bind and hammer is to fix. It was nice of you to encourage the team, to encourage the infinitive beta. Wasn't it silly of me to expect a bumper prize from a lottery? सी सिली इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ कोर्स. अगर किसी की क्वालिटी की बात करें तो वो एडजेक्टिव के लिए यूज होता है. ऑफ इज ऑफ एंड मी इज ऑब्जेक्ट एंड टू एक्सपेक्ट इज इन्फिनेटिव. नोट दैट एडजेक्टिव सच एज नाइस, काइंड, गुड, रॉन्ग, सिली, जेनरस होता है काइंड बेटा, पोलाइट, वरी एक्सेट्रा जनरली फॉलो दिस पैटर्न. आप इस पैटर्न से बनाएंगे उनके वर्ड्स. इट इज़ ईजी for anybody to get this information from the net. Easy, okay. For is for anybody's object, to get is the infinitive. It is essential for us to know the clauses of the contract. Essential is adjective. For is for us is object, to know is the infinitive, the clauses of the contract. Note that adjectives such as easy, tough, important, essential, difficult, necessary, common, etc. follow this pattern. Now complete the following sentences using an infinitive construction. The company wanted to give bonus to its employees. The company wanted to give gifts on Diwali to its employees. Beta, you can construct on your own sentences also. The minister promised not to increase taxes. The minister promised uh, to reduce the taxes. Okay, I somehow managed to save him to complete my work. Like this, you can write. We need a compass to know the direction, to draw a circle, anything can come. Ask a plumber to repair the leak, to repair the damage also. The teacher will explain to us how to solve the question. Okay. Can you tell me where to go? Where is this thing? Like something you want to ask for. The doctor advised the patient to take proper rest, to take nutritious diet. I expected him to pass the interview. I expected him to help me. Okay. I expected him to help the needy, like this. So to be a millennial, it was wrong of the film star to behave in a rude manner, to use abusive language, to overshow his behavior. Okay, like this. It is difficult for me to solve this question, to understand, to make him understand. उसको समझाना भी बड़ा मुश्किल है. Okay. Now it is essential for the residents to follow the rules of society, to make cleanliness, to maintain proper discipline and order. They are expected the tenants to pay the fine or to pay the bills on time, to maintain cleanliness, like this. Now we are on worksheet number 5. I told you about bare infinitive in the worksheet number 1. Bare infinitive is infinitive without to. जब हम बिना टू के यूज करेंगे इन्फिनेटिव को, उसको बोलते हैं. रीड द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल्स. यू मस्ट सी योर डॉक्टर टुडे. We all should teach at least one underprivileged child. In the above examples, the infinitive has been used without to. It is called bare infinitive. Models are always followed by the infinitive without to. हम बिना to के करते हैं. और to एक exception है बच्चे. ought to be or used to be. Also, verbs of perception such as see, hear, feel, know are followed by infinitive without to. इनके बिना हम यूज करते हैं बच्चे. Now, the verbs such as led, bid, make are also followed by a bare infinitive. She can read the whole novel in one day. It is she can, है ना. Can is model and read is infinitive without to. He heard someone sing in the dead of night. Let me talk to him. Talk is again where infinitive. Make him realize his mistake. In cases of dare and need, we use the to infinitive in affirmative sentences but bare infinitive in negative sentences. You need to learn German. You need not learn German. हम बेटा एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में तो हम क्या करते हैं, टू लगाते हैं. बट नेगेटिव जहाँ पे भी आएगा वहाँ पे हम टू नहीं लगाएंगे. Read the sentences given below. There is one error omission in each sentence. Discuss with your friends and write the sentences correctly in the given spaces. The teacher made him stand. Made him to stand नहीं होता बेटा. You need not do it. मैंने आपको अभी बताया जब भी हम नेगेटिव बात करेंगे तो टू नहीं लगाएंगे. Okay. Let them enter the room is the correct one, not to enter. You dare not. Again dare not आ गया तो हम नेगेटिव से टू नहीं लगाते बच्चे. Bid them go out. उनको कह दो जाओ. I must reach my school by 7 a.m. मस्ट आ गया. मॉडल साथ मैंने पता टू नहीं लगाते हैं. यू ऑट टू एक्सेप्शन है तो हमने कहा था कि ऑट टू लगाएंगे. आई हैव टू राइट अ फ्यू लेटर्स बिफोर आई गो टू बेड. आई यूज़ टू स्टडी जो आपके पास्ट हैबिचुअल एक्शन को शो करता है बेटा, उसमें आप हैव टू यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू रीच द स्टेशन अर्ली टू कैच द ट्रेन. यू ऑट टू stop at traffic signals. You ought to read this book as it is very good. Now worksheet number 6 beta. Read the following sentences and take the correct option bache. I am so tired that I want to lie down and go to sleep. To go to नहीं होता बेटा, go to sleep होगा. It is easier to flatter than praise. Tanvi is ready to go anywhere but visit Delhi. I like to read as well as write poetry. Do you want to meet the clients now or wait till evening? Okay, or to wait till evening. Rishi had nothing to do except watch TV. Riti has to work as well as look after her family. Now I have to buy vegetables and cook food. It is better to live in obscurity than be notorious. ओके बेटा, यहाँ पे न्यू बुक्स में आपका लिव डिसिप्लिन नहीं आएगा. इट इज़ बेटर टू लिव आ जाएगा देन बी नोटोरियस. टू भी नहीं आएगा, बी नोटोरियस आएगा बच्चे. I would like to visit Kolkata and see the Howrah Bridge. When two infinitive structures are joined by linkers such as, and, or, but, then, except, as well as, the second one is mostly without to. ज़्यादातर वो without to ही ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं बेटा उसको. Now the ing form. Read the sentences given below. The crying baby hugged his mother. Crying, cry is the verb, ing is this, baby is noun. In the above example, the word crying is made from the verb cry by adding ing. It is thus like a verb. However, it is also describing the baby, which is a noun. So it is also acting as an adjective. Crying baby क्या बेटा, जो बेबी रो रहा था वो adjective उसकी quality बताई जा रही है. A word which is like a verb but acts like an adjective is called participle. जो है तो एक verb लेकिन वो act कैसे कर रहा है adjective की तरह, तो उसको क्या करेंगे हम participle कहते हैं बच्चों से. Now read this example. We saw a cow running in a direction. Cow is noun, run is verb, and ing is the verb. Here, the word running is formed from the verb run, but it is also performing the function of an adjective running. Here, it is a participle. So, it is a participle. A participle has two forms. कौन दो तरह के फॉर्म्स होते हैं उसके. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल इज आईएनजी फॉर्म. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल इज यूजुअली एंड्स इन ईडी, टी, डी, एन, ई, एन. जब आप बोलेंगे ना तो आप देखेंगे पढ़ेंगे आगे. द ब्रोकन कप was thrown away. Cup is noun and the broken is it acts as a adjective. In the above sentence, the word broken is a past participle as it is made from the verb break, but it acts like an adjective from the noun cup. Okay. Now here are a few more examples of participles. The sleeping baby was startled by the noise. Startled hota confused. The boy is the noun and sleep is verb and ing is there, so it is the participle. The unexpected travelers. Unsuspecting travels were due by the cricketers. Travelers are noun. Unsuspecting is the participle. The burning train came to a screeching halt. रुक जाने को कहा गया है. Train is noun and burning is again participle now. Now, read the sentences given below. Swimming is a good exercise. Swim is the verb and ing also. Subject of the verb is this thing only. In the above sentence example, the word swimming is formed from the verb swim by adding ing. Thus, it is like a verb. But here, it also acts as the subject of the verb is and is therefore like a noun. वो सब्जेक्ट का वर्क करा तो ये नाउन भी एक्ट करेगा बच्चे. A word which is like a word but acts like a noun is called a gerund. जहाँ पे वो एडजेक्टिव क्यों करता है वो तो होता बेटा पार्टिसिपल. जो वर्ड एक वर्ब भी है और नाउन के लिए एक्ट करता है उसे बोलते हैं हम gerund. He is fond of wearing sunglasses. Wear is verb and ing. The word wearing answers the question fond of what, and it gerund आपको answer करता है questions का बेटा what. Here it has been used as an object of the preposition of. और preposition के लिए भी यूज़ किया गया है. We know that only a noun or pronoun can act like an object, thus wearing words like a noun. और तभी क्या करेगा नाउन के लिए एक्ट करे wearing. Here are a few more examples of gerund. Writing poetry is her favorite pastime. What is her favorite pastime? It tells you the answer of what also. So writing. Neighbors often get disturbed by his loud singing. They are disturbed by what? His loud singing. Honking is prohibited. What is prohibited? Honking. Horn, continuous use of horn को कहा गया है. Okay. Remember, a participle is a verbal adjective formed from a verb and acting like a adjective. The flying birds inspire me. Flying is what? Fly plus ing is participle and birds is noun. A gerund is a verbal noun. वो verbal adjective है, ये verbal noun है. Okay. Man always dreamt of flying in the sky. Dreamt of what? Flying. Dreamt of what? Flying in the sky. It answers the question of what also. Now, worksheet number 8, beta. Read the sentences given below and write P for participle and G for gerunds. Ramit is fond of playing cricket. He's fond of what? Playing cricket. So it is a gerund. Now, can you stop complaining? Can you stop what? Complaining. Again, it tells you the answer of what. So it is a gerund. The grumbling boss went out of the office. Grumbling, grumble is the first form plus ing and boss is the noun. So it is participle. The screaming kids. The kids who are screaming. Scream is for the verb 1 plus ing and kids is noun. So it is going to be participle. Washing dishes is a tiring chore. What is a tiring chore? Washing dishes. So it is a gerund. Smiling people have more friends. Which people? mean who people. So it is participle. Overspeeding on road is an offense. What is an offense? Overspeeding. So it is a jiran. Smoking is prohibited. Smoking. Uh, as I tell you, what is prohibited here? So it is jiran. The actress started combing her hair. It is again jiran. What she started doing? Combing her hair. Withering leaves often symbolize the arrival of winter. See, withering leaves. Take it, the leaves, what are they doing? They are withering. Okay, so it is participle. Now, worksheet number 9. Rewrite the following words in proper sentences using infinitive, 2 plus first form, and ing forms. One example has been done for you. Amit likes play football. Amit likes playing football. I want go theater tonight. I want to go to watch. आपकी बेटा न्यू बुक्स में दिया हुआ है आई वॉन्ट गो वॉच अ प्ले टू नाइट आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू वॉच अ प्ले टू नाइट आई डोंट लाइक लीव थिंग्स हैव डन आई डोंट लाइक टू लीव थिंग्स हैव डन आई डोंट लाइक बेटा यहाँ पे लीविंग कर दीजिए आई डोंट लाइक लीविंग थिंग्स हैव डन क्योंकि हम डोंट आ गया बेटा तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव में हम टू नहीं लगाते को बहुत रेयरली लगाते हैं तो आई डोंट लाइक लीविंग थिंग्स हैव डन कर दीजिए आई लाइक टू विजिट माई आंट्स प्लेस यू मस्ट ट्राई to reach your office on time. Okay, I avoid talking to strangers. She loves to cook pasta. I want to read Vedas someday. Now, worksheet number 10. Answer the following questions in infinitive and ing form. One example has been done for you. What do we use a pen for? We use a pen for writing. We use a pen to write with. Now, second one, what do we use a knife for? We use a knife for cutting. We use a knife to cut with. What do we need a lamp for? We need a lamp for lighting. We need for lamp to light with. Why do we need a table cover? We need a table cover for covering. We need a table cover to cover with. Why do we need a comb for? We need a comb for combing. We need a comb to comb with. Now, worksheet number 11. Read the following. I felt like dancing. He missed going to college. Avoid eating junk food. See, beta felt dancing. Missed going. Avoid eating. This is verb 1 and verb 2. If certain verbs are followed by another verb, the second verb generally takes the ing form. आप देख सकते हो बेटा डिड ही माइंड कमिंग टू द ऑफिस एट दिस आवर अगर दो वर्ब्स इकट्ठे यूज़ हो रही हैं तो सेकेंड वाली मैक्सिममली क्या होती है आईएनजी होती है ही इंजॉयड लिसनिंग टू द म्यूजिक गिवन बिलो इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ फ्यू सच वर्ड्स admit, avoid, deny, dislike, enjoy, finish, go on, imagine, keep on, mind, miss, stop, suggest. These are such kind of verbs. Now fill in the blanks with the ing form of the verbs given in the box below. You cannot deny complaining against me to the teacher. आपकी न्यू बुक में बेटा ये है. Do you mind helping me in this project? She disliked wearing western outfits. We enjoy dining out. खाना खाना उनको बाहर अच्छा लगता है उनके लिए है ये. ओके देन बेटा जो आपके साइड पे ये बॉक्सेस दिए हुए हैं ना बॉक्स दिए हुए ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट है न्यू बुक के अकॉर्डिंग. ही वेंट ऑन बूस्टिंग अबाउट हिज एक्टिंग एबिलिटी. आई कुड नॉट हेल्प लाफिंग एट द जॉक. इमेजिन गोइंग टू मास समडे. ही केप्ट ऑन डूइंग हिज वर्क साइलेंटली. Can't you avoid drinking so many colors? I suggested taking some other route to the destination. Now, worksheet number 12. Read the following. She began working as a junior doctor. She began to work as a junior doctor. I prefer to walk down to my office. I prefer walking down to my office. After certain verbs, we can use either ing form or the to infinitive without any difference in their meaning. Use the following verbs in your own sentences, the ing as well as the to infinitive. I love reading short stories. I love to read short story. He continued walking like that. He continued to walk like that. I started working. I started to work. Okay. I proposed helping him. I proposed to help him. I tried to solve this question. I tried solving the puzzle. I intend completing my work. I intend to complete my work. Now, worksheet number 13, beta, develop a short story using the hints given below. Use as many infinitives, participles, and gerunds as you can. Underline the infinitive and the ing form wherever used. Uh, Now, Aman smoking in bed, sleep, suddenly woke up, sheet burning, jumped up, put the fire out, a big hole in sheet, resolved never to smoke. So, once Aman was sleeping in his bed, he was smoking at that time, and suddenly he got a nap. Uh, okay, and he had a cigarette in his hand, burning cigarette in his hand, and when he slept, this cigarette fell on the bed, and it got on the bed got fire, and then are supposed to develop a story like this. Okay, now do it yourself. Now the following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Underline the wrong word and write the correct word in the space given. The first one has been done for you. Fishing is my favorite sport. What is my favorite sport? Fishing. Now I often fish for hours without catching anything. Beta, underline these words. सम फिशरमैन इंस्टेड ऑफ कैचिंग. जब भी बेटा ऑफ आ जाए तो वहाँ पे आई एन जी आ जाता है ना. ऑफ कैचिंग फिश कैच ओल्ड बूट्स एंड रबिश. आई नेवर गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कैच एनी थिंग. यू मस्ट गिव अप कैचिंग fish, my friends say, but I am only interested in sitting in a boat and doing nothing. My aim is to fool. To that with the first form base form use होती है. And now complete the following passage by filling the blanks with the correct form of the non-finals given in the brackets. As the evening wore on, I saw the loading of food in the hold of the ship. I was especially thrilled when two helicopters landed on the deck. In the sunlight, the helicopters glowed, which was meant for spotting them easily when one in at sea. The helicopters are not allowed to stay out in the open for fears of strong winds blowing them off the deck. By evening, open by evening, many scientists had gathered on the deck. They were chatting and joking with each other. Some of them were very tall and hefty. Some were even fit to be in a circus, so funny in appearance. I noticed a bearded man, and when I looked at him, he looked at the other way and started lighting a cigarette. I thought of asking my uncle about this strange man. Then but gave up thinking that it might be just nothing. Before the sunset, all the lights of the port lit up. The sea was beautiful to look at. The anchor was then lifted and the quay began to move in the opposite direction. Some people on the quay raised their hands, waving to us. The ship began to sway slowly like a क्रेडल. एक खिलौने की तरह क्या हो गया, वो मूव करने लग गया, मूव झूलने लग गया. विद दिस बेटा वी आर ओवर विद चैप्टर नंबर 8. एंड बेटा चैप्टर नंबर 9 इज पंक्चुएशंस. आपको पता है कि फुल स्टॉप कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं, अपॉस्ट्रोफ कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं, कैपिटल लेटर्स कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं, नेम ऑफ सिटी के साथ, नेम ऑफ कंट्री के साथ कहाँ आपको करना होता है, रिवर के साथ और प्रॉपर नाउंस के साथ, सबके साथ क्या लगाते हैं, कैपिटल लेटर्स लगाते हैं. और आपको एब्रीवेशंस यूज़ करनी भी आती हैं बच्चे. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई दिस एज योर होमवर्क वर्कशीट चैप्टर नंबर 9. 10 we have already done in holidays homework, and next we are going to do chapter number 11, that is for getting ready for class 9. This is all again a grammar portion that I'll be covering in next class. Chapter number 9 and 10, you please do it yourself. Okay, as chapter number 9 is punctuations. If you are in doubt, we can cover in the live class. Do it by yourself now. And chapter number 10 we have already done, so we are left with only chapter number 11 that we are going to do. Now let's move on to another grammar writing section. This is letter to editor. Many species of animals are getting extinct. This is going to disturb the ecological balance. Write a letter in about 100 to 120 words to the editor of a national daily, laying emphasis on the causes of extinction of animals and the need of conservation. Now beta, this is the address given to you. आपको कोई एड्रेस नहीं दिया हुआ. इधर यू कैन राइट इमेजिनरी एड्रेस और एग्जामिनेशन हॉल ABC सिटी बेटा. देन इधर यू कैन राइट डेट लाइक दिस और October 12 like this. The editor, Hindustan Times, Lucknow. एडिटर बेटा हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स का है, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का, इंडिया एंड एक्सप्रेस का है, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. ओनली सर, डियर सर नहीं लिखेंगे, रिस्पेक्टेड सर नहीं लिखेंगे, हम ओनली सर लिखेंगे. देन सब्जेक्ट, आप सब्जेक्ट पहले भी लिख सकते हैं, बाद में भी लिख सकते हैं, एज यू विश. सब्जेक्ट ज़रूर होना चाहिए, इट इज़ मस्ट. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनवायरमेंट. नाउ हम बिगनिंग करते हैं. थ्रू द कॉलम्स ऑफ योर न्यूज़पेपर आई वांट टू एक्सप्रेस माय कंसर्न टुवर्ड्स men's growing greed which is destroying our environment and disturbing nature's eco balance. This is the introduction. Second paragraph includes problem. Unaware of the facts, man is killing himself by doing so. Nature has created everything to protect itself. There are wild animals which also contribute to maintain the balance of ecology. When we kill them, Sahara like desert grows. We cut forests for industrialization and urbanization. It invites floods and ozone layer depletion. So these are the problems of cutting forests. If we don't check it urgently, what will be the conclusion they have discussed? Now, what is the urgent need or conclusion? Last paragraph should include what the possible suggestion as well. If we don't check it urgently, we will kill the whole of human race. Here it is high time for us and for the government to think over it seriously. Stern laws are needed. Stern or strict laws, but a strict follow up is required to check whether the laws are implemented or not, or else we will have nothing. Even our lives will be in grave peril. थैंकिंग यू योर्स सिंसियरली. आप ट्रूली भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, TRULY. बेटा योर्स का वाई कैपिटल लगेगा, देखिए एस कैपिटल नहीं होता कभी भी. सिमिलरली ट्रूली का भी टी कैपिटल नहीं होगा. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द स्पेलिंग फॉर यू, TRULY. The person, the name, whatever is given to you, who's writing it should write it at the end. No signature, nothing else is required. This is the format of writing letter to editor. I'll be sharing some more practice work with you. Try them in your notebook. Okay, beta, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Have a nice day.